Hi, I'm Alexis Dawkins and welcome to the COVID Craft Corner. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very easy, fun, and simple craft. We'll be making our very own custom stickers. They look really nice anywhere a normal sticker would, but are a great way to show off your own personal interests while also saving some change. Let's get started. For this craft, you'll only need 5 things. Firstly, you'll need a laminator. This was purchased at Aldi for about $20, so laminators really aren't as expensive or hard to find as you may think. You'll also need laminating sheets. You can get these bigger or smaller, but I find that 8.5 by 11 inch normal printer paper sizes are the best for me. You'll also need office label sticker sheets, but I'm opting to use individual office labels because I find that I like the size of smaller stickers. You can find bigger sticker sheets at any office supply store. You'll also need markers or a printer. If you'd like to make your own custom designs, opt for markers, pens, pencils, or whatever you'd like to draw with. If you'd like a design off the internet, you can print directly from any inkjet printer onto label sheets. Lastly, you'll need a pair of scissors to cut out your sticker when we're done. To begin, you should draw or print your design on your sticker. I'm choosing to draw the Animal Crossing character Isabelle because I think she's very cute. Once you're done with your design, cut it out. I like to leave small white borders around my stickers, but that's just an aesthetic choice. Whether or not you do it is up to you. After that, make sure your laminator is ready to go. Place your sticker or stickers into the sleeve and make sure it remains flat and smooth while laminating. When your stickers are fully laminated, use your scissors to cut them out. Make sure to cut as close to the label inside the lamination as possible to avoid not sticky edges that may catch on something and peel off your sticker. The last step is to peel off the backing of your sticker and stick it somewhere, or you can store it somewhere for later, or even use it as a gift, and you're done. Now you have your own custom sticker that looks great on laptops, phone cases, notebooks, or wherever else you decide to put them. I'm Alexis Dawkins of Parkland TV, and this has been the COVID Crafting Corner. Happy crafting, Parkland!